Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your Squarespace analytics or Google analytics data isn't showing correctly, this video is obviously for you. Because in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and fix analytics not tracking in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Squarespace. So we're gonna go through their login. Then use your email address and password to access the dashboard. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to settings here. Look for our basically options, including this developer. If you are using this is still activated. We have billing, we have permissions and ownership, third-party tools, we have marketing, we have multiple options. So for example, we are here on third-party tools. We have connection to manage social accounts and other third-party connection accounts. As you see, you have Facebook and IG and multiple options. We also have marketing, we have brand, we have selling, and we have multiple options. But for today, we are looking for our analytics. So make sure the analytics are fully on. We're gonna go here to analytics. We have traffic, begin with analytics. You can basically tap on help me get started or just jump right in. Then check the Google Analytics ID. Verify your GA4 measurement ID is entered correctly. Then make sure the site is fully published. Analytics won't track unpublished or even private sites. Disable any ID blockers, since ID blockers can stop analytics from recording data as well. Then clear the cached cookies. All browser data basically can interfere with tracking, so keep it in mind. Then test using an incognito mode if you like. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.